हाँ बैठ जा, वो ना बैठा है वो जो इधर यहाँ पर बैठाने को बैठ जाए करेगा, हम नहीं बैठ
And now, with that auspicious beginning, let us immerse ourselves in the devotion with a mesmerizing Ganesh Vandana performance by Sarishma, a tribute to the divine spirit that guides us all.
ये यूडीसी वाले मैं क्या बताऊं। खड़े हो जाओ, बैठे क्यों तुम नहीं? ठीक है जी, आप क्लास में दिखेगा। अब अभी तो बैठ गए। हेलो हेलो।
दैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि न शरीराय नामहिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणाधीशाय गुणाधीशाय धीमहि गजाराय गीतकर्ताय गीतगोत्राय धीमहि बुद्धगुप्ताय गीतगन्ताय
What a divine start, a dance that truly captured the spirit of devotion and grace. I now invite our esteemed Deputy Dean of Student Welfare, Professor Dr. Sanjana Ved ma'am, for delivering the opening remarks.
Good afternoon to everyone. Honorable Vice Chancellor, Sir, Professor B.B. Sharma, respected Pro Vice Chancellor, Dr. Vikas Madhukar, Dean, Directors, HODs, faculty members, and my dear students. We are very happy to welcome you all today to AMIFest 2025 at Amity University, Gurugram. Today marks the beginning of this celebration, which is full of enthusiasm, unity, celebrations, teamwork, creativity, and innovation at our campus. This celebration, AMIFest celebration, is the mixture of competition, performances, and exhibitions, all aimed to enhance the learning of students' growth and their development. So we are very happy to organize this program today, and the main focus is the holistic development of our students. Dear students, this Amifest is not just about fun and competition. This is also a beautiful platform, an excellent platform for all of you to learn new skills, to develop new friends, to share your knowledge, and to meet new friends for their talents. So this is all about coming together as a community, growing together, and also enjoy the journey together. Along with this creativity and teamwork, discipline plays a major role when we organize such kind of programs. So, dear students, let us all be disciplined throughout this program. Then only we will be able to enjoy this journey together and in much, much higher level. And this is not only going to help us to learn from each other and to enjoy this particular event, but also a great learning for all of us. This will also enhance the vibrant, rich culture of our campus at Amity University, Gurugram. So I hope we will enjoy this learning, this journey together. Thank you so much.
We are honored to have our visionary leaders with us for sharing their thoughts. I now invite our esteemed Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. P.T. Sharma, sir, to enlighten us with his words of wisdom.
Honorable Chancellor of Amity University, Haryana, Dr. C. Chauhanji, Pro Vice Chancellor, Professor Vikas Madhukar, my very dear colleague, Registrar Dr. Manuja, Dean of Student Welfare, Major General Wall, Major General Dul, Deputy Dean of Student Welfare, Professor Dr. Sanjana Bain, Director HR, Rear Admiral Pandeji, heads of the institutions, members of the faculty, but more than that, my very dear student friends. We all are here for a very special cause, that is to create a space in the calendar of our university for a cause which is so important for the holistic development of our student community and also of each one of us. Amity University Amifest, in true sense, is the fusion of modernity with our age-old heritage and culture of which we are so proud of. We are proud of our modernity also because it is only through the lenses and eyes of 21st century advancement of science and technology that we are able to connect the whole world together as one family, work together to create a bright future for the global humanity and to create India of our dream. And it is in this journey we invite each one of you to understand the meaning and purpose of your being here in Amity University Education Group. Amity Education Group and Amity University is not yet another place for higher studies. It has been designed and developed and conceived by the founding fathers of Amity University to be a university of difference. Here, we remind you that we are here to celebrate the diversity, foster innovation and creativity in abundance, and to make you understand and enjoy and celebrate the great cultural and philosophical heritage of which we are a part of. And that is why Amity stands for connecting people with Atmika in abundance. It also reminds us for understanding that the strength of the society today lies on our ability to walk miles and miles further with the advancement of science and technology in the new world in which we are, but without sacrificing the foundation on which the humanity stands and stood here in this country for millions of the years. The 360-degree fusion that we wish to achieve during our Amifest 2025 It starts with our strict understanding of what Satyamev Jayate stands for. You are in an age today where truth alone and truth alone will survive. And that is why you have to understand that the connect with our age-old tradition of culture and philosophical heritage reminds us, each one of us, to be on the side of the truth and not to take the side of untruth, no matter what attraction it is. Starting from there, our age-old tradition also reminds us that what we are discovering as the key parameter for advancement of 21st century today, that is sustainability, is in fact the hallmark of our age-old philosophical and cultural heritage. It reminds us of our responsible behavior, with responsible consumption. It invites us to understand our responsibility towards the human society, towards the creatures on planet Mother Earth, and also a responsibility to the people and planet together. And that is why sustainability, alongside with truthfulness, invites each one of us to connect ourselves to our age-old traditions of righteous conduct and heritage that invites us to be responsible global citizens of this beautiful world of which we are a part of. During the celebration of MEFest 2025, you will have great opportunity to understand how India celebrates its diversity. Way back in 2012, 13 years ago, when I visited Japan for the first time, the Japanese professors of the Tokyo Institute of Technology were telling me the 21st century belongs to India's leadership. I thought they are pleasing me. I asked them, how are you making such a profound statement that 21st century will be led by India? They said, you know how to manage diversity. 21st century belongs to those who are able to manage diversity and create that eternal bliss and happiness which we all are hankering for. India understands more than any other nation in the world how to celebrate diversity and foster innovation and creativity. Even Lord Krishna would not bless you unless you offer nothing less than Chappan Bhog, 56 varieties of dishes carefully prepared of sattvic food. Then only God Almighty becomes happy in a country like ours. So you can understand how we fostered the celebration of diversity at all levels. It applies to food, it applies to dresses, it applies to the language, it applies to the cultural heritage that we have allowed everybody to express as best of his ability. But it is also an age of technology to which we all belong to. And our cultural heritage as well as philosophical heritage invites us to understand that the benefit of technology and science can only be accrued by responsible behavior. Technology invites you to be truthful, it invites you to be righteous, and more than that, what matters for each one of us, especially in higher education, it invites us to understand the meaning and purpose of Atma Sanyam. In English, it is called self-discipline. Let Vice Chancellor not discipline you. You have to discipline yourself. And it is this key strength of our philosophical heritage that allows India to flourish, Indian heritage to flourish all around the world without interruption till date. And it has a promise to lead the humanity to the layers of happiness and divine bliss in the years to come. Let you join this great festival, manifest your creativity in abundance, and be part of celebration of this fusion of modernity with the age-old tradition of our cultural and philosophical heritage. May I extend to you the best of the greetings for the day and also for the next 2 days to enjoy and be part of this great journey. Thank you so much, Major General Dhul, and thank you so much, Dean of Student Welfare, Professor Sanjana Vej, and your brilliant team of students, volunteers, and organizers. I'm pretty sure you have an agenda for making the humanity so proud of the cultural heritage of this country and also of our preparedness to walk several miles around the pathways of technology, science, advanced layers of management and education that we provide in our university. God bless you. Thank you so much indeed for your appointment. Thank you.
वो तो दिख रहा है मेरे को.
Thank you, sir, for your wise words. Now, we request our respected Pro Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. Vikas Madhukar, sir, to share his thoughts with us.
ये भी जा.
I request all the students to maintain silence, then only you will be able to listen what our esteemed guests are saying. So request you to keep silence and listen to our distinguished guests, please.
एक काम और करियो कभी तो फिर हर बंदे हैं ठीक है
सर
जैसे
बीच में
कोई
बताइए
ऐड होता है
रिमूव कर दो.
रिमूव नहीं करना सर
I was just
शांत
telling
बैठा है,
Vice Chancellor,
एक बार आवाज मार
once
एक बार
the Vice
पांच बंदे
Chancellor
ऐड
give an address, then there is no right to the Vice Chancellor to
ठीक है.
come and speak. But with the permission of Vice Chancellor, I am here to extend my warmest greeting to everybody. Respected founder president sir, our visionary leader, our Chancellor Dr. Asim Chauhan sir, our respected Vice Chancellor, our Registrar Dr. Gavi Manuja, Director HR, Rear Admiral K.K. Pandey, Major General J.S. Dhul, Dean of Student Welfare, Dr. Sanjana Vij, Deputy Dean of Student Welfare, the senior officers present here, faculty members, and my dear students. What a great day that we are going to start the two very modern days, the very modern annual event of the university. We call it AmiFest. And I was saying the theme of AmiFest this year, which we kept that India 360-degree heritage meets modernity. I would say that the theme is very aptly gel with the philosophy of amity and
लाइव है ना इसमें.
peace.
ठीक है हाँ.
At Amity, we strongly believe in integrating modernity with tradition. In fact, we say that Amity is a place where modernity blends with tradition because we believe that our tradition teaches us ethics, values, and sanskar which shape the personality of each and every individual. And what it is mentioned here in this title, India 360-degree heritage meets modernity. So let me decode it in my own understanding. When we say India 360-degree, particular in context of this title, we are looking at the four important aspects. The first important aspect is economic aspect. Of course, the economy is at the top priority. The second is social and cultural aspect. Third one is a spiritual aspect. And the fourth one is technological aspect. And the theme convey us that while we are looking towards a future of Viksit Bharat 2047, the future of 2047 cannot be achieved only on the economic front, but the other three important pillars, whether it is social and cultural, it is spiritual, it is technological, all needs to be integrated in one way. As the Vice Chancellor has mentioned about many things, and one very important thing he mentioned about their focus on sustainability, so that sustainability is also need to be integrated with our agenda. So I wish to congratulate to the core committee of AmiFest,
कोई ना कोई तो हरकतें करेंगे.
who after having, I'm sure that who after having a lot of deliberation and brainstorming have arrived on this particular theme of this AmiFest, which I said is very, very relevant to today. So looking at the theme, the various activities and events of next 2 days have been crafted by each of our institution department. And while I was going through the program schedule, there are large number of events at the departmental level and at the center level, which include competitions, whether they are on social side, economic side, or technological side, and also the cultural event which are planned at the central level. So I look forward to have a lot of vibrancy in next 2 days. I look forward to have students coming together, learning from each other, inspiring each other, and working together with the one aim of Viksit Bharat, keeping in mind integrating India at a 360 degree with heritage and technology. I extend my heartiest greeting to the organizing committee. My congratulations and appreciation to Major General J.S. Dhul, Dean of Student Welfare, Dr. Sanjana Vij, Deputy Dean of Student Welfare, the entire team of DSW office, the core committee member of the student, and of course, the MFS coordinator from the respective institution. I understand the kind of efforts which are required to organize such a mega event, the kind of commitment and hard work. Right, while I am moving from one block to another block, I have seen everyone getting busy in the preparation of AMI Fest, even in the evening. I see there are many students committee, those they are discussing, and cultural committee, they are practicing their cultural performance. So my appreciation to all student members, all participants of this event. And as I said, I look forward to have a wonderful event and activities and a great learning ahead from this today event. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your wise words. And now let's begin the cultural extravaganza, where every performance is a glimpse into the heart of India. Let us take you on a breathtaking journey across India, where the past and present unite in a spectacular celebration of culture, tradition, and progress. Welcome to India 360 degree, where heritage meets modernity, a tribute to our nation's rich legacy and ever evolving spirit. I first invite Amity Musical Society to embrace the stage with their magical band performance.
Hello, 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 hello.
थोड़ा पास रखो पास रखो कैमरे पे ही है पास रखो कैमरे पे
Hello, hello.
बहुत सारे हैं यहाँ पे, तो यहाँ से सारे बना कर दो।
वहां से जा तो रही है, वहां से ये अब जा रही है।
देना।
And that was Annie Musical Society saying our point with the theme.
अब गाने चालू हो जाएंगे,
A
ठीक है?
unique blend of our own heritage,
चालू करके रख ले।
the modern standards of
बंद
music.
कर ले।
Let us put our hands together for Amity Musical Society. Vibrant performances of different clubs, representing states from every corner of India. We will witness the beauty of classical traditions merging with contemporary expressions. From the echoes of our ancient heritage to the rhythm of modern India, this stage will come alive with colors, energy, and innovation. So hold your hearts as we embark on this incredible 360-degree experience of India.
काम कर,
बैंड बैंड कर रहे हैं।
कैमरा मैन को जाके बोल के एक्सपोजर कम कर दो। वो स्पीकर यहीं पे वीडियो कैमरा स्टार्ट कर दे। आवाज
हेलो चेक चेक।
अब हो जाएगा। ये भी खिलाड़ी खड़े हैं, दिख रहा है, ट्रेंड दिख रहा है। क्या करना? ऑफ है। ऑफ है। दिखाओ।
हेलो सर चेक चेक।
साउंड क्वालिटी है। यहाँ देखो पिछला, अरे वहां क्या देख रहे हैं, यहाँ देखो ना। वाइरल है। चलो अभी आया एक काम एक ज्यादा फैसला करे, एक थोड़ी आवाज बढ़ाओ कर देते हैं यार। देख क्या हुआ है, देख यार।
ठीक है सर।
सीटी मार दे, मुझे नहीं आती। बस चेंडू का शौक नहीं है मेरे को। मेरे को देख बढ़िया देख रहा हूँ उसको देख रहा हूँ। हिप-हॉप वाला डांस नॉर्मल कर रहे हैं। जितना भी होगा इसमें होगा आपके कर पाएंगे। आगे जाके कुत्ती आ गई। कुत्ती अबे बड़े असली लड़की को बोलते हैं। अच्छा आज सिलाई शायद मैंने कर दी भाई। ये सॉन्ग प्ले हो रहा है पर लाइव में इसको नहीं आ रही है। वॉल्यूम बढ़ा दो थोड़ी सी। तो हम किसी भी सॉन्ग की ऑडियो नहीं आ रही हमारे में। फुल कर दे। फुल नहीं कर सकते मैं फट जाएंगे। जा सकते हो उतना करके गाड़ फाड़ दे। गाड़ फाड़ के इतना डालते हो उतना कर दो। भाई बात जा रही है यहाँ से तुम लोगों की बात नहीं जा रही है लाइव में। भाई खुला हुआ भाई देना बंद करना है वो। अब बोल रहे बंद करना आवाज नहीं जाएगी फिर।
मेहमान नवाजी की लहजा
Is this something? Roll the shoes on my feet, they lay me down in the sky some pain. And is this all it's gonna be? Roll the shoes on my feet, and they lay me down in the sky some pain.
भागेगा जब आएगा सवेरा
आसमान में सुरख बना दे
उस पर तो है ना दिल का बसेरा
Here we go again, just a little bit, let me know again. Ain't nobody such a girl, I'm just a fan. Bet you can't be cold. I'm waiting. I think about you every day, 24/7, girl, in every way. Try to move on, but what can I say? No one else can say. Such a bitch when I should have done that. Try to be smart, but I'm just so bad. You haven't made it, but you never had. Skates in out, in out, in out. Just when it looks like I'm making it close, I'm just so and just low. Just can't be really, baby, because I can't get it out, out, get out, get it out. Hola, 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 hola. Questoimoso, questo non viole. When they say no, no shake it, it's so. Holle, 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 holle. Questoimoso, questo non viole. When they say no, no shake it, it's so. Holle, 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 holle.
सभी यहाँ गौर करो जी, एक और विदेशी मित्र से मिलो जी।
पीछे ना हटे जापान, विज्ञान में आगे बढ़ी पहचान।
पीछे ना हटे जापान, विज्ञान में आगे बढ़ी पहचान।
कोがしそうよそうよ。
可愛いたこの葉はひらひらと
今見える日を待ちながら気を数え歩くついつことの葉に彩られ赤く色の季節が見踊る一枚手のひらにすでにかかるわ焼けた心に別れを告げこの葉の手に惹かれて知り去るままに未来への不安など言葉などありもせず
कि अब इनसे मिलो जी, उत्तर पूर्व भारत पूरे मुखी जी।
जिनके सर पे भी झुका ताज देखो जरा इनका अंदाज
जिनके सर पे भी झुका ताज, देखो जरा इनका अंदाज। ही अब आगे बढ़ो, देश में प्रसिद्ध बॉलीवुड से मिलो जी।
किसी को ये न करे ना, आशिकाना है अंदाज।
किसी को ये ना करे नाराज, आशिकाना है अंदाज।
छोकरा जवारे अरे जो करता है गलियों और चौबारों में, है कमाल करता फिरे तो अपने यारों में। अब तू भी मान ले, नैनों के जाम दे, ओ चले 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 आजा। हुआ छोकरा जवारे जवारे जवारे, हुआ छोकरा जवारे, हुआ छोकरा जवारे। निशानियों न खोनी है, सोनी है, साफी है, बातें है दानिया, आलापों की तेरी बातों ने गलना ने जलना जल के फिर जाना मुख जाना कोई कहानी बस
बने किसी हरियाणा से लो जी।
देश को है इन पे नाज, फुर्तिला इनका अंदाज।
देश को है इन पे नाज, मुर्तिया इनका अंदाज।
Again, bam, hit it, bam, hit it.
पलट गए और तेरी कंधे और सिलते हैं तेरी कंधे और
यहाँ अब दिल था मुझे क्योंकि है बारी पंजाब की
दिलों में बसना इनका राज, सबसे अलग इनका अंदाज।
दिलों में बसना इनका राज, सबसे अलग इनका अंदाज।
दी शेप दिया बुल्लियां मेरे अगे संग दिया नहीं खुल्लियां पते दी शेप दिया बुल्लियां मेरे अगे संग दिया नहीं खुल्लियां ਹਾਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਤੂੰ ਪਾਉਣਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਣਦੇ ਲੱਖ ਨਾਲ ਘੁੰਮਕਾ ਦੇ ਪਾਉਣਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਣਦੇ ਤੂੰ ਕਾਦੀ तेरी याद च चुपड़ा पाइया ने पैर च कुकड़ बादले ने तू कीता सी तलिया ते दिल कर ले एक सादा एक जोड़ा सादा तलिया ते जो बिच गावांगे हमड़े के बेटी रे नच नच के चूपरा पावांगे नच नच के चूपरा पावांगे
And that, ladies and gentlemen, was India 360, brought to you by the clubs at Amity University, Haryana. Let's once again put our hands together for a huge round of applause.
And with that, we come to the end of this spectacular journey, a journey that showcased India's incredible ability to honor its roots while embracing the future. We are reminded that our traditions are not just relics of the past, but a guiding light for the future. From the rhythmic beats of our folk dances to the pulsating energy of contemporary expressions, India stands strong-rooted in its history, yet soaring into the future. As we reach the finale of this incredible inaugural event, it's time to express our gratitude. I now invite Major General Dr. J.S. Dhul sir for vote of thanks.
Dear Amitians, we request you to please give us a few more of your minutes as the vote of thanks is still remaining.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'll not be taking much time. I intend finishing in 2 minutes. At the outset, let me express my gratitude to our Honorable Founder President, Honorable Chancellor, Honorable Vice Chancellor, and Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor, without whose support, nothing would have been possible. I also extend my sincere thanks to Registrar, all HOIs, HODs, and the faculty members. Moreover, the actual thanks we need to give to all these artists, all the clubs who performed in harmony and in a continuous sequence. It was really remarkable. I'll request all the club members to assemble here for the group photograph. In the end, I would also like to thank the administration team led by Squadron Leader S.K. Singh, the ESCO team led by Dr. Sumit Narula for their excellent support. And not to forget, our IT team who was here to respond to emergency of live telecast. Thank you so much, all of you. You were incredible and keep it up. Thank you.
Everyone come here for the group photograph.